I just wanted to offer a meditation. It is a meditation that I sometimes rely on when I find myself feeling some of the reactivity that comes up from, you know, what's happening in the news, what's happening in our communities, what's happening in our country, in the world right now. Whether it be right now because of the pandemic, because of the shooting, unnecessary killing of a good human being has happens too frequently, happened to Ahmaud Arbery. So pausing with all of these sorts of things that obviously are coming at us, especially because we are people seeking to, move in the direction of the suffering and to work to alleviate it through our actions and our engagements in the world. So this is the gentle practice that can provide support to you for remaining grounded as you open up to information that might cause you pain. So if you're noticing any of these kinds of reactivities coming up for you, you can, as always, just take a few deep and conscious breaths. And as you do so, you're turning your attention in a very purposeful way to these sensations that are coming up for you beneath the breath in the body. And taking a long, slow breath in and a gentle, even longer breath out. Continue to follow the flow of your breathing as best you can. Resting your attention there. So on an in-breath, breathe in for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. And then release for a count of 8. We're doing the 4, 7, 8 cycle here. So on the next in-breath, breathing in for 4, 2, 3, 4. Holding for 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then releasing for 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, on your own count, repeat that 4, 7, 8 cycle of breathing in and out 1 or 2 times. Breathing out through the mouth if at all possible. Now settle into a natural rhythm and as best you can maintain awareness of the quality of your breath in and out. And rest as best you can along the river of these sensations on this instance in the long, broad, and deep now. As you rest, gently call to mind your desire and the will you have inside yourself for peace that begins with you, for well-being that begins right here, right now, in your own body and being and spirit, for justice that begins here. And perhaps on the next in-breath, consciously focus on the love and compassion that exists in your own heart, the peace that can begin with you right now, extending through you right now. And as you breathe in, bring greater awareness as best you can to this love, this warmth, loving, warming softness within you, or other characteristics that you sense in your own experience, other ways you would describe your own warming heart and the will in your heart for justice and positive social community, global change. And as much as possible, allow yourself to completely feel the compassion in your being for everyone who's suffering, obviously in a way that includes you, includes all of us, and particularly those you know to be suffering the most in your community and in the world right now, wherever they may be. So as you breathe in and out, breathing in the sense of awareness of the love in your heart, and breathing out, very consciously sending loving support toward all those you believe to be in need of it in this very moment. So breathing in a sense of your own loving heart and what is well within you, and breathing out, gently extending the wish for well-being from your own head to toe and flowing out through you to the communities you meet and touch and work with, and out as far as the mind might reach, encircling the globe. As you bring this meditation gently to a close, take a moment to appreciate all that you are, all that you do, the body that is carrying you through this very life in all its perfect imperfections, just as you are. Call forth an intention for staying in attunement, holding with grace your spirit, your being, your energy for the work today. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and in mind. May you be safe from inner and outer dangers. May you be truly joyful and free. Thank you for practicing this engaged, calm, abiding meditation. You can practice this and other meditations with me by downloading a copy of my book, The Inner Work of Racial Justice, Healing Ourselves and Transforming Our Communities Through Mindfulness. May you be well. This is Rhonda McGee, sitting with you and wishing you well on this day.